Sairam students, welcome to another session of GK. Today we will start our new lesson number 5, Sports World. Students, there are some corrections. Take out your pen and add this option in help box. First option 1978, second option football, third option 1900 and fourth option lawn bowls. Again I am telling students, add some options in your help box. First option 1978, second option football, third option 1900 and fourth option lawn bowls. Now let us start our question answer session. Test your knowledge on sports by answering the following questions. In which game would you use iron and woods? Answer is golf. At the most basic level, there are two main types. Those with smaller, thinner heads made from steel are called irons. The big-headed clubs, usually made of titanium or steel and coated with paint, are called woods. Next question. In which outdoor sport do the people use jack? Answer is lawn bowls. It is a sport in which the objective is to roll biased balls so that they stop close to a smaller ball called a jack or kitty. It is played on a bowling green which may be flat or convex or uneven. It is normally played outdoors and the outdoor surface is either natural grass, artificial turf or kotula. Next question. In which game is the expression foot fault used? Answer is tennis. A fault consisting in the failure of the server to keep both feet behind the baseline until the ball is hit, or to keep at least one foot on the ground while hitting the ball. Next question. Who won 3 Wimbledon titles in his first attempt and never played again? Answer is Bobby Riggs. He was an American tennis champion who was the world number 1 or the world co-number 1 player for 3 years. First as an amateur in 1939, then as a professional in 1946 and 1947. Next question. Which sisters played in the Wimbledon final against each other? Lillian Watson and Maud. They played in the first women's competition at the Wimbledon Championships. Both met in the final, which Maud won 6-8, 6-3, 6-3 to become Wimbledon's first female champion. Next question. When did India participate in the Chess Olympiad for the first time? Answer is 1978. India's first appearance in the Olympiad was in 1978 in Buenos Aires, Argentina. Here, amid 31 other participating federations, India finished 15th. From 1978 till today, India's best result has been at the 2014 Chess Olympiad held in the Norwegian city of Tromsø, where the team had won bronze medal? Next question. With which game is the Lipton Cup trophy connected? Answer is football. The Sir Thomas Lipton Trophy was an association football competition that took place twice in Turin, Italy in 1909 and 1911. It is regarded by the some as the first World Cup. It is predated by the Torneo Internazionale Stampa Sportiva, which was hosted in 1908 in Turin. Next question. When were the women's events first included in Olympics? Answer is 1900. For the first time, women participate in games in Paris, France. 22 women out of total of 997 athletes competed in 5 sports: tennis, sailing, croquet, equestrian and golf. Fun fact, the average lifespan of a baseball is 7 pitches. Now, let us start our new lesson, medals and awards. Again there is connection, students. See question number 3. Cut Independence Day and write their Republic Day. In question 3, cut Independence Day and write their Republic Day. Add some options in help box. National Award and Gallantry Award. Add National Award and Gallantry Award in your help box. Now let us start question answer session. Answer the following. Which prestigious award is being given in India every year for literary work? Answer is Gyanpith. It is highest literary award in India, given annually for the best creative literary writing to writers in any of the 22 scheduled languages recognized in the Indian Constitution. The prizes carries a cash award, a citation and a bronze replica of Vaga Devi, the goddess of learning. Next question. Name the most prestigious and precious award of the world. Answer is the Nobel Prize. It is considered to be the most prestigious award available in the field of chemistry, literature, physics, psychology, peace activism or medicine. Next question. Who is awarded on Republic Day from Bal Kalyan Parishad? Answer is Brave Children. Awarded for the most especially talented children with exceptional abilities and outstanding achievements in the fields of innovation, scholastic achievements, social services, arts and culture, bravery and sports are awarded the Pradhan Mantri Rashtriya Bal Puraskar. Next question. Name the supreme honor given every year to teacher. Answer is National Award. It is the National Award to the teachers awarded by the President of India on 5th September every year to give public recognition to meritorious teachers working in primary, middle and secondary schools in India. Next question. Name the Supreme Award declared on Independence Day in India. Answer is Gallantry Award. The Gallantry Awards are announced twice a year, first on Republic Day and then on Independence Day, to honor the soldiers of India's Defence Force for their remarkable performance. The order of precedence of these awards is the Paramvir Chakra, the Ashoka Chakra, the Mahavir Chakra, the Kirti Chakra, the Veer Chakra, and the Shaurya Chakra. Next question. For which sports Ranji Trophy awarded? Answer is cricket. It is a domestic first-class cricket championship played in India between multiple teams representing regional and state. Next question. For which art is Lata Mangeshkar Award given? Answer is music. It is a national level award instituted to honor works in the field of music. Various state governments of India present awards with this name. The state government of Madhya Pradesh started this award in 1984. To whom is Arjuna Award given? Answer is Best Sportsman. It is given by the Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports, Government of India to recognize outstanding achievement in national sports. Instituted in 1961, the award carries a cash prize of Rs 5 lakh, a bronze statue of Arjuna and a scroll. Fun fact: Nobel Prizes are given to the highest form of recognition for human endeavors and excellence. The prizes are given to both individual as well as institution. Now we will meet our next session in next week. Till then, goodbye. Have a nice day.